Charging power aerobatics. So ready or not, Westover, here we go. Sean drops down into the box, performing 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Snap rolls, going 250 miles an hour, now one of a kind aircraft. Watch closely now as he spirals into his signature figure, which we call the centipede. She's going 280 miles an hour. He's pulling in positive G's. This is model airplane flying, and it doesn't get better than this. Where's the Shawnee Tucker? Yeah, baby. Most people don't know how Sean got into aerobatics. He simply wanted to face his fear of flying, so he took some aerobatic courses, and well, he got completely hooked, and we're all certainly glad that he did. 45 on the down line, snap rolls, and a quick pull up to the vertical. 2.5 outside snap rolls into a front flip. Let's watch this. Here it goes. Front flip. And there it is.
Oh my God!
And he's making it look easy. Now an inverted by Airshow Center. Quick half roll to the upright. Sean will now attempt what we like to call the loop. This is going to be an inside-outside loop with a cherry on top. Over 6 negative G's thrown down the cockpit. That's it. The hooey loop. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. Man, this guy's tough. Okay, so let me tell you about this biplane. It's the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world. It just weighs under 1,225 pounds, but over 400 horsepower. It took our team 16 months to perfect a plane that would match Sean's skill level. This is the Oracle Challenger 3. Now returning to Airshow Center. He rises to show you another signature figure, which we call the double hammerhead. Nose perfectly vertical, he stops in the sky, 0 forward airspeed. And now that's 1. And now that's 2 consecutive double hammerhead turnarounds. He's pushing it again with yours staring him in the face. He rises to show us the Raptor in honor of the F-22. As you might guess, this performance is really hard on the body, so Sean has to stay in great condition to handle these pressures. He'll experience about 10.5 positive G's, 7 negative G's, so he's got to be in good condition. He exercises 6 days a week. He calls himself a beginning mountaineer, but he summited Mount Elbrus, Mount Aconcagua, and Mount Kilimanjaro, highest peaks on their respective continents. Hey guys, you want to talk to Sean? Let's talk to Sean. Hey Sean, is that an inverted flat frisbee turn?
You got that right, Brandon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm having a lot of fun up here. And while I'm up here having fun, I want to say, let's say it together, the 3 best words in the English language. You got that right, baby. It's Gosh West America. If you see a man or woman in uniform, you give him a kiss. You give him a hug. You tell him thanks for protecting our freedom. So, anyway, let's go have some more like fun, because I'm having a blast. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to set up for my favorite maneuver called the Charlie Hiller torque roll. Our first world aerobatic champion in America is Charlie Hiller. Charlie, 1972, with the brand. And, you know, in those days, nobody thought the Americans could do much. He's flying against the Russians, he's flying against the Germans, the Italians, all of them. And Trump had a trick up his sleeve during the finals. 220 miles an hour. Well, he pulled up to the sky, and he started rolling the airplane vertically. And people have seen that before. And then he kept rolling it vertically. People have seen a lot of that. And then he kind of stalled it and hovered it just about like this. And then he popped in the clutch right about now. He started to go in reverse, tail first. It was just unbelievable. Nobody's ever seen that before in their life, but guess what? Charlie gold medal. What do you think? Woo! Yeah, baby! All right, I'm gonna get
What do you think so far, my father-in-law, Sean D. Tucker, the Well, this time, I suggest you get your cameras ready as close to the fence as you can, and take a look at that runway. There's 3 sets of holes out there. Stripes between each pole is a ribbon. Those poles barely 700 feet apart, standing 12 feet above the ground. And in a moment, Sean is going to attempt to slice all 3 ribbons in one single pass at 3 separate flight attitudes. Flying aerobatics, he's also the chairman of the Young Eagles program. 1.9 million kids just this week. Sean's a 14-year-old young Eagle Connor. He's a great kid. I've just met him. He flies just like Connor all the time. Okay, he's spitting his airplane, which is an indication he's going to attempt to go underneath the first ribbon. Let's watch. Here he goes. Wheels close to the ground. He goes underneath ribbon number 1, and he does the same thing with ribbon number 2. Whoa! And he rises to show us what he likes to call the alley-oop loop. Now he focuses in, and in a few moments he'll attempt to slice all 3 ribbons. This one's called the world's smallest inside loop. Here it is. The world's smallest loop. As Sean makes his way to Airshow Lab, this is our indication that the show line is obstruction-free. Sean will now attempt to slice all 3 ribbons. Again, in one single pass at 3 separate flight attitudes. Okay, here he goes. He's lowering his nose. He's going to get to about 18 feet above the ground. He's going 210 miles an hour. Here we go, and a right knife edge through ribbon number 1. That's it, turning in the left knife edge through ribbon number 2. Goes inverted for a 3rd and taking out that 3rd and final ribbon. He's pushing his limits. He's pushing his flying machine. He's living with passion. Make some noise for Sean D. Tucker. Now he pulls to the vertical, a 3/4 outside loop into a front forward somersault in pine position. Now Sean goes into his slider and his salute to the Young Eagle pilots. How about we go live to the cockpit and talk to Sean? Hey Sean, what you're doing up there is amazing!
the down button on the elevator, Brandon. I hit the down button on the elevator. And I'm coming your way, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, the little guy. The last jacket, give me a wave. Hey, Adrian, give me a wave. Okay, the little girl with the pink dress, give me a wave. Let's say it together. God bless America. It's an honor to be here. And we'll see you later. Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Sean's going to tighten his seatbelts. He's going to focus in, take a quick breath as he prepares for his final maneuver of this afternoon sequence. This one's called the Harrier Pass, named in honor of the awesome power and capability of the U.S. Marine Corps MB-8 Harrier. He's going to try to stay perfectly still in a wind. It's a tough challenge on a windy day like today. He's just tumbling until he hits that sweet spot. You know, if only Orville and Wilbur could see this now, I think that was just 112 short years ago. Now Sean's flying at the speed of thought, really. He told me that he just imagines that his arms are the wings. And he's just dancing in the clouds in ways we perhaps only dream of. just like Mark Twain said, the air up there is very pure and fine, and why shouldn't it be? It's the same air that the angels breathe. Okay, Sean rises up, stopping in the sky, slower and slower. He's working his rudders beautifully up there. He's doing it. He's doing it. Hold it in the sky. He's still going. It's like the Energizer Bunny. He just keeps going and going and going. Woo! And he's still going. Wow, let's give a round of applause for Mr. Sean D. Tucker. Well, this year, Sean will perform at more than 18 events across North America for more than 8 million Airshow fans. You can check out our schedule at teamoracle.com, or you can check out our Facebook page as Sean D. Tucker. Keep in mind that his first name is spelled S-E-A-N. Also, username is Team Oracle.
And thank you, Brandon Hess. Brandon Hess, the narrator for Team Oracle. Congratulations, nice job. Area, the incredible Sean D. Tucker. He'll be heading back to his parking area, and in just a moment, I'm going to hand the microphone back over to his narrator, Brandon Hess, who can help us all, and he'll ask for you.